Hello lovelies, this is the woven oval. You can use it to make things like this lovely flower that's using lazy daisies and French knots. Bring your needle up through the fabric and go down through the fabric a stitch length away. We're going to leave another space. This is going to be slightly bigger than the stitch, and then we're going to do another stitch. So you've got these two stitches, one above the other, and they're both the same size. Fasten off your thread in the back. We're going to change colours. You don't have to, but it looks really pretty if you do. You're going to bring your needle up through the fabric at the base of that first stitch, right next to it. Can you see? And then we're going to use the eye of the needle to thread through the bottom stitch. This stops the needle from snagging, which it would do with the pointy end. And then we're going to go up and we're going to thread it through that first stitch. So we're going from the top to the bottom and the top to the bottom. We're forming this lovely, almost like a loop, but it's an oval shape. And we're going to do this 3 times. You can do it 2 times, 2 times. You can do it twice if you like. It depends on how big you've made those first 2 stitches. When we've done the third wrap, we're going to go through the top and we're going to take our needle down through the fabric. And we're going to do it level with the base of the very first stitch underneath the loops. And this, my lovelies, is your woven oval stitch. This definitely looks lovely for flower petals. It would work lovely with leaves, but it's just a really cute stitch. You can sort of tease it around a little with the end of your needle. There you go, some French knots, lazy daisies, and woven ovals. Happy stitching.